Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set a module as the default in our design studio. Start by opening the design studio and creating a new design. Place your panels as usual. Once that's done, go to the Subarray tab. Here you'll see the default module, which is currently set to Solar Labs 1. Below it, there's a checkbox labeled Make this module default. Select this checkbox to save the module as the default for all your future designs. Let's test it out. If I create another roof and place the panels, you'll see that Solar Labs 1 is automatically applied as the default module. If you want to change the default module, it's easy. Simply pick a new module from the drop-down menu. The checkbox will become active again, allowing you to set the new module as your default. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.